Okay, guys, as you have seen the demo, now we are going to make a real app. Now, before we start it, first we are going to make this four screen, one, two, three, and this four. And let me open this Android Studio, and I'm going to create new project and empty activity. Next, our project name will be bold. Yeah, we'll just keep bold. Then this is a e-commerce app, and then we can finish it right away. We are going for Java language, so finish it and wait for some time till our project is done. In the meantime, you can just log in with your Gmail account, since we are using Firebase, and Firebase uses Gmail account to authenticate. So I am logged in with my account, and as you can see, I already have 3 projects, but we are going to create new one. Okay, now our project is done, and I'm going to make it large. As you can see, we have just empty project over here, so let me change the project, bold app, and this is Java. We got Java file, and then we have XML file as well, and it is empty for now. Click on that eye, show layout decoration. But as you can see in our app, in our app we don't have toolbar or anything like that. So let me just remove this toolbar and change the color to white itself. So come back to style, in value, style, and then dark action bar to no action bar. I'm gonna change this primary and this both color to white over here. So if you come here, see, we have only white color background which we want. And then now what we can do is we can add is the layout, yeah, this color in the background, and this color should be this color, which is, okay, let me get that color. Come back here, come back over here, loading screen, and this is which color, where is that? Okay, this come to design tab, and then this is the color. So let me just copy this color, and then come to Android, and nope, okay, sorry, this we can keep it white, this need to be this color, and if you come back, okay, my bad, this is the color we're looking for. Okay, as you can see, we got this color. Now what we want to do, we want to change this background color to this will be main activity. We are going to create new screen for this. Sorry, every time the loading screen. So I will create new activity from here, new activity, user activity, sorry, my bad. And then this will be splash, so I'll write splash screen activity, and then you can just finish it. Okay, you can set it to launcher also. Okay, this is Android Studio bug. As you can see, this error you can fix by just invalidate cache and restart, but I know it won't throw any error, so I'm not gonna fix this error. Okay, now instead of this splash screen, we want to add this screen in the splash screen, which is this. So I have this image in Drupal, download, Udemy. As you can see, I already have. I think I'm gonna work with this one. Yeah, as you can see over here. So I'll just copy this image and paste it in the Drupal. Okay, Drupal, and then I am gonna change this background, layout background to background. What is that image name? Loading screen. Sorry, loading screen. Okay, and I'm gonna change this form to, I think not this one, not next, this 1082.2160. Yeah, this one. As you can see, now our first screen is done. Now what we want to do, we want to load this screen for 2 seconds and then go to this screen, that is main activity. This is main activity, this is loading. So we'll make this code. So before that we have to come to manifest. Now instead of this main activity, we have to make this splash screen as a loading screen. So it will first this 3 seconds this screen will load, then it will go to main activity. So come back to that splash screen. How we can do this we can do with a new handler. Okay, as you can see, and then if you type Control P, okay, we don't need anything dot, then post delete new runnable, then you can close this, and here you can pass the how many seconds you want to load, and 2000, which means 2 seconds. I'm gonna make it this way, and then local variable. Okay, not local variable, I will just initialize this over here, private static int and limit or something like that. You can give any name. I'm just gonna go with limit 2000, then this will be limit. So it will in this function, this whatever code you write here will call only after 2 seconds. So what we'll do, we want to call this, we want to go to intent. Okay, I'll just write directly start activity new intent, then okay, we have write finish as well, sorry, my bad. So I'm going to create new intent over here. So intent new intent. So from where we are going, this is splash screen, so we can say splash screen activity dot this, to where we are going, that is main activity dot class, and then you can close this bracket, and then you can start the activity intent, okay, sorry, intent, then finish this intent. Okay, that's all guys, I think this is it. So now what happened, after 2 seconds for 2 seconds this screen will load, and after that 2 seconds, sorry, we'll go to the main activity. Right now we don't have anything except hello world. Let me just run the app and we'll see whether it's working or not. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, and then in the main activity, we have this login button, and then sign up, and then some art as well. Okay, this app is running, and to see this app, let me just open my Visor so that you can see the screen as well. Okay, let me run the app again and you will notice. Okay, 1 2, as you can see the splash screen for 2 seconds it is displaying, and then we are redirecting to the main active 1 2. Okay guys, now in the next video we will discuss about we'll design this activity and then button, and then we'll see in the next one. Thank you guys.